wanna tell you that I love you and much more, but I just can't find the words now. I don't wanna keep it to myself, but every time I open my...
Alright, honey buns, so the previous vlog was CVS, the deals that was going that's going on from August 9th to August 15th 2026. So now I am coming into Walgreens. I like Walgreens better now. So these are the deals that will start, well, that did start by the time y'all get this video, because today is August 13th 2026, and these deals started August 9th and they go to August 15th 2026. So y'all still have Friday and Saturday, because today is Thursday, to go ahead and get these deals. Okay, so you do have a little time. So let's see real quick. I am just going to go through doing most of the household stuff, the things like that I think people want to stock up on. I'm not going to hold y'all too long with this vlog, because I want to go ahead and get it edited and get it out since I'm late. That is my bad, y'all. Okay, honey buns, so right here they have the Downy Faye Rinse Cool Cotton, $4.99. You get a $2 register reward when you buy 4 or more participating Ariel, Bounce, Cascade, Dawn, Downy, Febreze, Game, Mr. Clean, Swiffer, or Tide products. Okay, so let's see what's going on with this. Scott's, you know, it's $5. Okay, here you go. Up here, Scott single, buy one at $5, get one 50% off. So you're gonna buy one at $5 and get another pack for $2.50. Now I don't buy that because it's not really, to me, a lot of tissue on the roll. It is very, very thick, and we're a family of 5. Okay, so yeah. Now I will stock up on it if I had a coupon, all right, because I used to buy it. Okay, but so when you come in Walgreens and you see these orange tags, these are clearance tags. Okay, so look for those, because you may find some really, really good stuff that has been marked down. Okay, so as you can see, they have a lot of things marked down over here. This is like L'Oreal and stuff. So this is like makeup, face wash, all that type of stuff. And I don't know if a lot of y'all is like into that type of stuff. That's why I didn't do too much of the makeup stuff, because if you do wear makeup, you may not wear this type of makeup. Okay, so let's go down here and look at, oh, a lot of tags. So they got what is this? Colgate Emerald Health on sale for $4.50 now. You get a $4 register reward when you buy 2 or more participating Colgate products. I hope I said register rewards at the beginning of this, because I just did the CVS, and I get the ECB's register reward mixed up just by tongue twist talking. Lord. So let's go down here. They got a lot of the Crest stuff on sale. Okay, $5.49. It's on sale for $5. This right here is a Crest 3D Arctic Fresh, $7 reward when you spend 14 or more. So yeah, down here they got some of the value pack on sale for $7, regular price $8.29. They got these right here, so y'all can see, $4.99 on sale for $3.50. Okay, so yeah, I don't have any coupons, and I haven't checked to see if I may have some that needs to be clipped. So if you have a number and everything with Walgreens, you can go on there and clip coupons. They may have some. I'm not saying they didn't, because like I say, I am behind, so I haven't even looked at that or whatnot. But since I don't have anything right now, nothing is just saying take me home. I'm hoping that changes. They do have a lot of the Old Spice and things like that. Buy one get one, buy one at $9.99, get one 50% off. You get a $8 register reward when you spend 4 or more on participate Old Spice, Secret, Gillette products, that type of stuff. So yeah, let's see, razors. I'm gonna show y'all. Surprisingly, I don't hear no music in here. I'm gonna show y'all some of this stuff. Okay. And hopefully God said the same. I'll be up and on it Sunday when everything come out. Sunday or Monday, because on Sundays when the deals start over, sometimes they don't have the tags up all the time. It be a little behind. So maybe on Mondays I'll do these. But yeah, they have this the Colgate Optic White is on sale for $9. They have different ones that are on sale this week. Let's see. I'm just gonna show y'all some of these. That way I don't have to talk all this stuff because it is a lot. I'll just show y'all. Okay, how about that? I'll just give y'all a rundown, let y'all see. Okay, and you can pause this if you want. If you see something that you like or that you use or whatnot. Think of this a free ride almost to the store. You already know what they got before you go. You can visually see it. Okay. Go down here and I'm going to do the Colgate for y'all. Okay. I always thought it was unique how look at how Walgreens always had this mirror up and you can see everything. You can see over the whole store. I like that. That's unique. I always looked at that. Wonder like who came up with that. Right here though, they do have these scopes. These are $4.99 on sale for $4. And then they have the bigger one is on sale for $5, regular price $6.49. And then they have some Listerine. And the Listerine is regular price $9.99 for some. Regular price $5.99 for some. But you get $4 register reward for each when you buy 2 or more of participating Listerine products. So make sure y'all reading these, because they do have, in order for you to be able to get the deals, you got to do what it says. Okay, you gotta do what it says. So pregnancy tests and stuff like that. What I'm trying to get to is the household stuff. Okay, that's like, that be, to me, I don't know about y'all, that be like important, y'all, because let me tell you, that stuff be expensive. Okay, so I always say, oh, they ain't got none. Normally they be having these okay, this one is not bad right here. This not bad right here. Let me show y'all. Hey honey buns, I wanted to take the time out from the vlog to let you guys know, in case you do not know, that I have a second channel, Amazing Grace Garden and Home. Over there I will be showing you all of my gardening and some videos of things that I do around the house, far as household cleaning and all that good stuff, but mainly the Amazing Grace Garden, growing your own food. So in case you did not know, I want to let you know. So go ahead over there and join the ladybugs on that channel. I hope to see y'all there. So look at this right here, y'all. They have, these are regular price $4.99 each, or you can get them 3 for $7.49. So that's pretty much 5, 10, 15. So you getting them cheap. If you were buying them at $4.99, it'd be like $15. So you, this week you can get them 3 for $7.49, and I do need some more, so I am going to take advantage of that deal. Yes, I am. They do have Tide over here, which is on sale for $4.99. Regular price $7.49. $2 register reward. So yeah. All right, y'all, so let's see, which ones am I going to get? I am going to get, because you can mix and match, I am going to get that bag look like could have been open. Okay, I'm gonna get one of these right here, and then I am going to get 2 of these. Okay, I'm watching my bags. Y'all know I'm OCD. Hold on. Give me a chance. I gotta get my life together. Okay. Alright. So I got 3 of these for $7.49. And alcohol spray. Let's see, for $7.49. For 3 of those, not too bad. Sometimes you buy so many, get so many free or whatnot, but that's not bad at all. And that's what I was looking for up in here. And you can do that like throughout the week or whatnot when they have them deals, and that'll set you up real good. Okay, we do a little bit at a time. Look at this. I am low on my dishwashing liquid. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these because they are regular price $3.99. They on sale for $1.99. Okay, $1.99. So let me go ahead and scoop up. Now this what I'm talking about. It say take me home. It say Tamika, take me home. Take me home, girl. Take me home. Okay, that's remember I'll pay that because Gain is really good. They also have the Done on sale for 99 cents with them little small ones. Let me see. This is a 22 4 ounce. This is 14, but that's $4 and this is $2. Yeah, I'll take that. Even though the sizes are different like that, you know, you can you see why it's a little bit more. Get this one. Do I want this one? They have this one right here. It's a watermelon scent. Let me get that watermelon. Yeah, let me get that watermelon. Let me get that watermelon. I'm gonna do the watermelon one, okay? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. All right, y'all. So right here, I'm looking at, they got this on Walgreens toilet bowl cleaner. It's $1.99 too. It's regular price $3.29, but I don't need none of that because I use the toilet one. They even have the disinfectant spray, $1.99, but I got some of that. I may come back another time before Sunday and get something. I'm not sure, but right now I'm just picking up what I need to pick up. I don't need none of that, but they got the Walgreens multi cleaner is $1.99, and this should be everywhere. This should be everywhere. So if y'all need that stuff, go ahead and get it, because look at that. Look at that. You save a coin where you can save a coin. Now them coins add up. Tell me about it when you get to the register. They add up. They add up. Okay, so they got these wet mops. And I just bought some Swift ones the other day. Buy one at $3.99, get one 50% off. So yeah, okay. Okay, I didn't know what that was, guys. I'm like, it I didn't know what that was, what sound that was. Oh, you got the hiccup. I had the hiccup the other day. And Tatiana had the other day too. The hiccup. Right down here they got these air fresheners, but I'm still stocked on air fresheners. When I was like couponing. I just opened one of these up for my house the other day, and I've had since probably let's see, 2015, 2016, 2017. Because I have the plug-in, so I have a lot of those. So yeah, nothing that really say take me home. I'm gonna show y'all, see if something say take y'all, take that some say they want to go home with y'all that y'all may need or wouldn't, but don't say take me home over here. Now look, they do have the Glade. Now look at that. Now they do have the Glade spray, $1.59. Fights odor and sea waves. Regular price $2.29. See, I already got sprays and stuff though. I don't want to buy that stuff that I already is up on. You know what I'm saying? So that's the only reason why I'm not getting it right here. They got a lot of band-aids and stuff like that. Let's see, different little sales on this, but nothing that says today alcohol. I can get that a little cheaper at $1. No, Family Dollar still have it for $1. It's $2.99 in here, and it's buy one $2.99 get one. Oh, but that's still a little bit more because it's buy one. No, it's buy two at $2.99 get one free. Oh nah, No. Okay, buy 2 at $2.99 and get 1 free. Okay, this they clearance aisle over here. I be looking for that clearance. For that clearance. Let's see. Nope. I don't need none of that. Okay. Let's see. They got a lot of their summer stuff they putting out. These plant markers with chalk. That's cute, but when you water it, then it gonna rub off. But they're cute though. They're cute. But if they was a little cheaper, I would get them. Cause they $4.99. Now they marked down to $3.49. They gotta come down a little bit more for me to get it. And they was $1.39, something like that. Then I would probably still got it. But let me go over here and look at they remember I told y'all that tissue used to be 10 for $5, then it went 10 for $6. And last time I seen it, it was 10 for $8, y'all. I said, I know they lying. Yes, they are. And it's still 10 for $8. And it's gonna stay right there if I gotta get it, okay? No. This is the one I would get. I knew it was gonna go up. I knew it never failed. Every time I try to put y'all on game on something, the stuff always go up. So, yeah.
I'm actually waiting to go into the bar, but they're not here yet. So.
They have these 2-pack right here on sale. No, they the 4-pack right here. Regular price $2.79, but they on sale for $1.99. Y'all like my shoes? Look, y'all. These the ones Aronde had got for me. They came yesterday. And this is what I mean by my feet is flat. Look at this. I have no arch. Like I've had my feet x-ray, and the doctor said he's seen people with low arch. And he showed on the thing, I was born with no arch. Like literally no arch. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see really good. I don't have no arch. It's just flat. So these right here, they're actually slippers, but they got a thick sole. Like so you can wear them. I'm wearing them out, y'all. I'm wearing them out because they are helping my feet. My feet is not hurting, and they are arch support. So I wanted to get 1 pair to see how they was gonna work. I love them, so I'm gonna get all colors. And look, if it works for me, I'm gonna wear it. Yes, I am. I'm wearing them out and about. Show is they cutesy to me. That's all that matters. I don't see no deal on these cereals. Buy one for $5.99 and get 2 free. So that's like $6. Just like paying $2 a box for them. Because you're going to get 2 free. Buy one at $5.99. But we got a lot of cereals. If it was a lot cheaper, then yes, I probably would have did it. But since it's not, then no, I'm not getting them. All right. So yeah, I think that's going to be pretty much it. Those are the hot spots that I want to look at when I be in here. I think that's going to be pretty much it, y'all. Now they have other stuff, but your Walgreens may be different. So keep that in mind. You may not have the same clearance that I have. You may not have, the same products in your store depending on where you at or whatnot. Sometimes things may be a little higher even though it's the same company depending on where you are. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get my little laundry soap and my little dishwashing liquid. So I'm happy about that. Cutting them corns, saving them corns where you can.